In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the essential things you should always carry on your gym bag. My name is Neyfi Del Rosario and I am a holistic nutritionist and best-selling author here in New York City. And in this channel, I discuss everything about nutrition, fitness, and exercise that'll help you melt the fat off. And if you're into that, please consider subscribing. My mission is to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition. I just came from the gym. I had a very good leg and bicep workout today. I did an hour of cardio after, and I got the idea to show you guys what are the essential things you should be taking to the gym, especially if you're a beginner. When I started going to the gym, I was wondering, what should I take? What do I need to go to the gym with? Do I need to take things to the gym? Will the gym give me things? And these are the things that I started going to the gym back then. I'm still going to the gym with now. Also, there'll be a link in the description to most of the items that I'll be showing you today. So you can decide and go and check out these items if you want to. Okay? Let's get started. The first thing that you need to take to the gym is a lock. So a lock like this, a simple lock. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. It just has to be a reliable lock that you can lock your things in the locker. You know why? Because people in the gym, there's some people that go to the gym and steal stuff. I've seen people leaving their stuff in the locker, wallets, sweaters, things in the lockers, and then I even locked. I open the locker, put my things in, and someone has their stuff in it. And that is very dangerous because someone can just walk in, take your things, you're working out, you don't know what's going on, they take it, you lose it, right? And it's not nice to be stealing things, and it's not nice to lose things in the gym. So make sure you have a locker like this, right? This is a simple locker, so you can just be safe. The second thing you should always take to the gym is water, right? This is a 32 ounce, half a gallon of water. I still have water left from my workout session, right? I fill this up, I take it to the gym. A lot of people feel stronger when they are hydrated. If you feel like you're getting thirsty, that means you're getting too dehydrated. You should always drink water. I drink water every 2 sets that I do in the gym, right? It keeps me strong, it keeps me going. I also sweat a lot, so I need to keep drinking water because I need to replenish the water I'm losing. Plus, it makes me feel stronger. So take your water, and if you don't like plain water, you can put, a little bit pre-workout in there. You can put flavor, creatine, whatever you want, but take your water, stay hydrated, right? It's very important so you don't get dehydrated and get hurt in the gym, all right? The third thing I keep in my bag is a towel, right? A towel, any towel will do, right? So I use a towel because I sweat a lot, right? So I wipe my face whenever I am sweating too much, right? I wipe the benches, right? If I'm laying down, sometimes I wash my hair like today, it was wet. So I put the towel down on a bench whenever I'm sitting so it doesn't get too wet. Or if you sweat on the bench, you can wipe it with this, then, disinfectant, whatever your gym is providing for you to disinfect in these days. But take your towel because it's not nice when someone leaves a spot of sweat and they just don't clean it up, and then I need to use the machine and I have to clean it up. I have to clean up the mess they leave because they don't take care of the gym equipment that everybody's sharing, alright? The next item I'm gonna be showing you is a lifting belt, right? This is not a fancy $300 lifting belt for powerlifting. This is your regular bodybuilding belt. This cost me like $40. So what a lifting belt will do is it would allow you to lift more weight on the compound movement. You can use them in the bench press. You can use them in the squats. I mainly use them in the deadlift since I'm not squatting too much right now. I'm doing the leg press, but I use them in the deadlift. And for example, if you're gonna lift 100 pounds and you put this on, you're probably gonna lift 115 pounds, right? But that's just an example. If you're an absolute beginner, you do not need this. You do not need to worry about belts. But if you want to step up your game and you're getting to heavier weights, having a belt is not a bad idea. It's just gonna allow you to push yourself a little harder, right? And I really like using it because it actually reminded me to brace. Right? When you squat, you need to take a deep breath and you need to create pressure inside of you so your spine doesn't, bend and you break in half. You don't want to break in half, you can use a belt, alright? If you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. Because the more likes I get, the more people that get to see this video. And if you're finding value in this video, why someone wouldn't find value in this video too. The next thing that you might need is a pair of barbell collars. I use this because my gym doesn't give me barbell collars. They don't have any, right? You need to check with your gym before you buy this. These are, your regular lockjaws. These are like $15. I had these for a year. They're really beat up already. But I really love these things. When I'm unracking the weight from a bench press and I hit it to one side and I tilt the bar far enough, what can happen, the weights can slide off, and then because it's unbalanced, the other side is gonna slide off and you're gonna make a lot of noise and be embarrassed. And that actually has happened to me a couple of times. And let's say you're squatting and you rock one side and then you forgot to rock the other side and you just bend to one side and all your weights fall out and then the other side falls out. It's not fun, right? This could save you from having a little bit of embarrassment, right? It's not necessary if your gym has some, but if you're loading the bar with a lot of weights and you need to secure, the last 2 inches of the bar, or you just don't want to, be dropping weight from one side or the other side, this could help you. And I really use this whenever I'm deadlifting or benching or using the barbell. These are really cool. If your gym gives you the little wire ones, that's fine. You don't need to buy these ones. The next thing I keep on my bag, you don't need this. This is a heart rate monitor. This is a Wahoo heart rate monitor. You definitely don't need this. I use it because I do a lot of sport specific training since I'm always doing cardio. But you definitely don't need this. It also tracks your calories. Being a Wahoo is actually really accurate. But the things you need to keep in mind about heart rate monitors is that it tracks your calories based on your heart rate and your weight and your height, right? So even if I'm wearing this right now and I'm sitting right here with a 40 heart rate beat per minute, a 40 BPM right now, beats per minute, right? I'm doing nothing. It's still gonna count the calories because you are alive. So it's not gonna count the calories of the workout. It's gonna count the calories that you burn plus the workout based on the heart rate that you're doing. So if you're doing really slow cardio, it's not gonna tell you that you burn 10,000 calories. You're probably gonna burn 100, 150. Or if you're doing, a really hard bike ride like me, when I go 30 miles as fast as possible, trying to be a time trialist, and I burn 2,000 calories, It is what it is. You don't need this. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it down in the description. The next thing I keep on my bag is a reliable pair of headphones, right? So you need a reliable pair of headphones because, the music that they play in my gym is not the type of music I listen to. And you never know what you can do when you're listening to things like Metallica and you are close to failure and you want to push that last rep. You never know how it feels until you do it. So you need a cheap, reliable pair of headphones that if you drop them and if they break, you can replace them easily. They're cheap. So these are wireless headphones with like 30 hours of battery. I charge them once a week for 2 hours. I'm good to go, right? So these sound nice and I really like them. I've been using them for a little while now. And they're comfortable, they feel good even with a mask on. So when you're picking headphones, you don't want to have a wire going through your body while you're sweating. That doesn't just feel good. So I like using these. Obviously, I take more things with me, like my phone. I'm using my phone to record my video right now, so I'm not gonna show you my phone, obviously. A backpack, any bag will do as long as you can carry all your things. It doesn't matter, right? If you're worried about shoes and do I need lifting shoes, you do not need lifting shoes. I basically the same shoes I wear walking to the gym. They're the same shoes I use to work out. You don't need any of that, right? So the things that I probably need to buy are, lifting straps. I'm gonna leave a link down below to the lifting straps that I have used before. I don't have a pair right now. I have a very weak grip. After I do like 8 reps with 225 with the deadlift, I basically killed my grip and I have to drop the bar. And the thing about lifting straps is that you don't want to limit the amount of weight that you're lifting because of your grip. So having lifting straps can help you lift the weight that you're supposed to lift, right? If I had lifting straps, I probably would be doing 300 pounds of the deadlift. But because my grip is so weak, I cannot. I am limited. The most I have done is 280 because my grip is so weak. But I'll be getting lifting straps soon and I have used them before. I'm gonna leave them down in the description. Also, you should take some type of snack. You can take a protein bar, you can take a meal replacement. You can take like another one of these with a meal replacement, right? I usually take a protein bar because you never know what can happen at the gym, right? An emergency could happen and you don't have time to eat, right? You probably get a call from your job and they're like, we need you to be early here. You don't have time to go home and change and eat, and you need to eat something. So having a protein bar, having something that's quick to consume, that's gonna keep you full for 2 or 3 hours, is gonna be a really good option for you. So keep a snack on your bag. You don't need to eat it after your workout. Just eat it whenever there's an emergency. But if there's not an emergency, you can wait 2 3 hours after your workout to eat. There's not an anabolic window or anything. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, because I'll be posting videos like this weekly to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself. And if you want to learn more things, here are 2 videos of me where you can learn something new right now. I love every single one of you.